Hi, hello, good morning, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal. You are watching PPT channel and I am with you, Sanjay Ramphal. Let us start today's session. Stay tuned for more solid news. Keep watching your own channel, PPT News. If you have not subscribed the our channel, then do not forget to subscribe. A Mahapanchayat of Fogat Khap was held on Sunday at Swami Dayal Dham in Charkhi Dadri, Haryana. There was a lot of uthal-puthal in the Mahapanchayat regarding the selection of the head of the Khap. After about 2 hours of deliberation, the current secretary of the Khap, Suresh Fogat, was elected as the head. The newly appointment had bowed before the statue of Baba Swami Dayal Dham. The prominent pupil of the Khap honored him by wearing a turban and entrusted him with new responsibilities. According to the information before the assembly elections, the then head of Fogat Khap, Balwant Singh Fogat, had joined the Congress party. He had presented his claim to contest the election from Dadri Assembly constituency. Do this at that time the resigned from the Pradhanship of Fogat Khap 90. Deliberation went on for 2 hours. Many had expressed their claim. A Mahapanchayat was called on Sunday to elect the new head of Fogat Khap. Apart from Fogat Khap, representatives of under Khaps also attended it. In this Mahapanchayat organized under the chairmanship of Lilaram Samaspur, the pupil president brainstormed a lot about the appointment of the Pradhan and many names were discussed. During this, a lot of uthal-puthal was also seen. Later, consensus was reached on the name of Khap Secretary Suresh Fogat and he was appointed Pradhan. After Suresh Fogat's name was finalized, he bowed in front of the statue of Baba Swami Dayal Dham. At the same time, the prominent pupil of the Khap honored him by wearing a turban and entrusted him with new responsibilities. Will work in the interest of society. After being appointed Pradhan the Mahapanchayat, Suresh Fogat met the media. During this, he said that he has always been ready for works in the interest of society. Due to the works and decisions of Fogat Khap, the name of the Fogat Khap is taken with respect and honor in the entire state. His effort will be to do even better than the work done by the PNC's Pradhan. Chokidars handed over memorandum to MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan. MLA gave insurance Charkhi Dadri. Gram Sevak Chokidar Association on Sunday reached Dadri MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan residence and handed over memorandum regarding demands. Chokidars discussed about the state level conference and invited them. MLA assured the Chokidars to get their demands fulfilled through the Chief Minister. A delegation headed by Gram Sevak Chokidar Association's State President Krishan Kumar and handed by District President Ved Prakash met MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan on Sunday and handed over memorandum regarding several demands, including getting government employee status through the government. He said that rural chokidars are also employed in government schemes, but they have not been regularized. He also invited them to hold a state level conference under the chairmanship of MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan assured the chokidars to get their demands fulfilled soon through the government. He said that the state government is working for every section. Due to the policies of the government, BJP has formed the government for the third time in the state. Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini himself is working for the welfare of every section apart from the employees. खुशियों की दीवार campaign to help the needy with the warmth of a relationship. खुशियों की दीवार, an organization which is continuously working to help the needy in the society, is running a special campaign Rishton Ki Garmahat. In this cold weather, through this campaign, the organization is appealing to the people to happily donate such clothes and items kept in their house, which are more than their requirement and are not being used. The organization said that this is the right time to donate warm clothes like blankets, quilted sweaters, jackets, which can provide relief from cold in one's life. This item can be deposited. This item can be deposited at the Khushiyon Ki Diwar located at Court Counseling Gate. Features of Khushiyon Ki Diwar. This campaign provides goods to the needy people free of cost as per their requirement. The workers of the organization collect the donated goods and deliver it to the needy. This process promotes humanity, cooperation, and sweetness of relationship in the society. The organization believes that Khushiyon Ki Diwar is not just a medium of help for the needy, but it is a platform that encourages the spirit of positivity and mutual love in the society. Appeal of the organization. If you have any goods which are more than your requirement and are not being used, please send them to Khushiyon Ki Diwar. Your small contribution can bring great relief in the life of a needy person. With Khushiyon Ki Diwar, let us all together bring warmth and happiness in the lives of the needy in this winter. So friend, this was our important and special news for today. We will meet again tomorrow with new news. Till then, take care of yourself. You will be safe. Now allow me. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Namaskar.